In this video, we're going to learn how to use the world's best paper trading account, which is TradingView. In my last video, I already explained what is TradingView and what is paper trading account. If you are a beginner, if you haven't watched that video, the link you can see on the corner of this video, and also the link on the description box as well. So in this video, we're going to learn three things mainly on this video. So which is how to select a high potential stock for trading using TradingView, and next how to identify a good price to enter the trade, and three, how to use the TradingView chart. So let's start the video. So right now we are in the TradingView homepage. First we need to set up an account, because without an account we cannot place the paper trading trades. So first we need to set up an account. For that we need to click here where it says sign in. So after clicking the sign in, you can also see downside which is where it says sign up. So click that. So using a Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo or Apple ID or LinkedIn, you can able to set up an account with the TradingView. Also, you can have your personal email ID and you can create an account. So you can do it. It's a 1 minute process. You have to fill in the details and you will get a verification code into your email ID. Then you can click that link. Then your account will be activated. And now, since I have an account, I'm going to sign in using my Gmail. So to sign in, you have to click here where it says sign in, and I'm going to use Gmail. So I just signed in using the Gmail, and first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get access to the chart, and chart is the place where we're going to learn how to select a better stock for a short-term trading and how to identify a good price to enter and how to place a trade. So in order to get the chart, you have to click on here where it says chart. So now we are in the chart. Chart also has a lot of tools here. You can see we have a drawing tools, and also on the top we have many features. On the right of the screen we have again many features. So nothing to be worried about these special features, because TradingView video we're going to break down in a part by part. So each and every video we're going to explain these features to show you how you can use them for effective trading. But right now we only going to focus on three things, which is how to select a stock, how to identify a good price, and how to place that paper trading trade. So before we learn how to pick a stock, first we need to change the theme here, because right now the screen is a bright, very bright, right? It's a white color. Most of the traders prefer black. Also myself, I prefer a dark theme. To change the theme, I'm going to click here where it shows three horizontal lines. So I'm gonna select dark theme. You can see there is a button next to dark theme. Click here and our theme change into the dark, and dark always looks better for technical analysis. And since we are using a free account, you will be seeing a many popped up ads, so just click close it. So now we're going to learn how to select a stock, how to select a right stock for a short-term trade. For that, we're going to use a tool called Stock Screener, which is available inside the TradingView. To get the Stock Screener, we can see where is written Stock Screener, and after that we can see there is a ticker 4641, and below that there is a huge stock list. So if you cannot see that, you can always adjust the screen using the cursor. So take the cursor on this gray line, press the left mouse button and drag to up, and you can see there is all the stock list came. So basically stock screener is like a basket of apples, so you can pick up best apples out of the basket. So here we have a basket for the stocks. So using some special filters we can able to find some good stocks on the stock screener. So let's have a look at how to use it. On the stock screener, before we do anything, we have to reset the stock screener filters. For now you can see filter where it shows number, there is a one, right, which is one filters is on. So we need to disable all the filters. For that, click on the filter and go to reset all. So once you reset, it will rid of all the filters that you have. You can see now there is no filters here, and also we have a 4643 stocks actually available for us to select. But selecting few stocks out of 4643 will be very hard. But for that we're going to use some filters. We're going to add some extra filters and filter this, and you can see we have a different tabs where it says last price change or change price, rating, volume, market capital, PE ratio. So these tabs are the filters, and you can change these values. You can able to filter them. So right now the first filter what we're going to use, it is a exchange, because we only focusing on the NSE stock exchange, which is National Stock Exchange of India. So because National Stock Exchange, which is NSE, is the right exchange for a short-term trades. So I'm gonna rid of this extra column what it says watch list. So rid of this watch list, and you will get a wider view of the stock screener. So first thing, we have to add the exchange. For that we have to click on this three column where it's three dot where it says column setup, and type exchange, and click on it. and exchange tab will be added. So you can see exchange tab added, and once you click the parameter where it says the buttons, right, if you click that parameter button, you will get option of any BSC or NSE. So I'm going to select NSE, and now you can see our stock list reduced to 1660. Before we had a 4600, now we got 1600, which is actually available to trade in the NSE. But we also going to use another filter, which is volume. So volume is something that number of stocks that bought and sold in a specific time period, and we are looking for a short term trades. So we want a stock that many people are trading. For that, I'm going to select 2 lakhs of volume. Lesser than a 2 lakhs, I'm not going to trade. For that, I'm going to change the volume. So click on the parameter button again, and we have to select 2 lakhs. You can, so once you click the volume button, you will get this slide bar. So you can slide the numbers to 200k. So it is, you can also type manually if you wanted to. So I'm going for a 200k minimum. So now we can see we got a stocks of 686. Before it has 1700 something, but now we reduced to 686. And also I'm going to select another filter, which is a volatility. So volatility is the number of price that went high and low in a one single day. So I'm looking for a most volatile stock because I'm looking for a short term trade. So I want the most people are trading. Also I want the price to be create more ups and lows. So when it has a more highs and lows, it will be easy for me to place my trades. For that, I'm gonna select change in percent. So to add the volatility volume, I'm going to select percentage, change percentage. You can see there is a change price also. I'm selecting change percentage. I'm looking for a positive volatility. I want the stock that went above 10%. For that, I'm gonna select 10%. So I need above 10%. So I'm gonna select here the above. It was below before, so I'm gonna select above or equal, sorry, above or equal, and the percentage, it's a 10. So I added my filter. Now you can see I got 8 stocks. So after adding the filters, you can see I got my 8 stocks. And not only these filters, using any of these tabs, you can able to filter the stocks. You can able to pick any stock based on your strategy. So I'm not using any strategy. This is a quick technical analysis. It's a basic technical analysis. So based on that, I just used and I got 8 stocks. And using these different types, you can able to change the values such as market cap, PE ratio. Also you can add additional tabs, and you can able to pick some good high potential stocks that can fit in your criteria. So on this 8 stocks, I'm going to select one good stock based on the price, or based on the chart that I'm going to review. And before that, I need to add them in the watch list. So if you don't know what is a watch list is similar to a playlist. So when you listen in songs on any apps, you will always create a watch list, right? You can add your favorites into the one list. So that is something similar to watch list. Here we're going to add the stock together in a watch list. So you can will have your playlist. Whenever you want, you can review them using the watch list. For that, I'm going to select on the particular stock and click on the right mouse, and you can see add to the watch list. And I'm going to add that in the, and after adding the watch list, you can see the stock now available on the watch list. And also I'm going to add all the 8. So I'm going to add them individually. So I'm going to select again watch list. So now you can see I added all the 8 stocks on the watch list. So once I done this, I don't need this stock screener. So I'm going to rid of it again. I'm going to hide this in the down. And now you can see we have a 8 stock that in a watch list. And having a watch list, you can see the price, you can see the volatility that has, and it is easy to manage. If you have all the stocks in one place, you can able to see what is going on in the market. You can able to identify which stock is more volatile, which stock is going in a downwards. You can able to see it. So I'm going to review the chart, and after that I'm going to select a stock based on the chart or based on the price that is trading it. So the first up, we have a wide hang, and you can see this is on the chart. You can the chart right now in the candlestick. If you want to change it, you can change it using area chart or a Hikinashi or hello candles or a Rinko bars. And since the candlesticks are the best view for a technical analysis, I'm going to leave as it is. And also the each candle representing a 1 hour time frame, which is you can see which is written a 1 hour. So 1 hour in the sense each candle represent a 1 hour. When you take a cursor, so when you take a crosshair is the first tool. If you take the crosshair and place over the candle, you can see open, high, low, and a close. So during a 1 hour, the price opened at 143.50 paisa, and it went high as 167 and low as 142.75, and it's closed at 159. So this is a basic of the candle, and a green candle always represent a positive movement or a bull market, and a red candle always represent a negative market or a falling price falling or a bear market. So here when you will look at here, you can see the price was moving in a sideways for a very long time, and now it is just broke out this resistance level. So if you don't know what is resistance, nothing to be very resistant. So when the price keep hitting in a one price level, that is called a resistance, which it has to be in the upside. So nothing to be worry. If you don't know what is support and resistance, I already have a video about support and resistance. You can go and have a look at them. Also I have given a link on the description as well. And you can see the price have broken the resistance here. So I'm going to take the brush tool here, the brush in the fourth icon, click there. You can see, so here the price got broken, and after that the price keep raising. So I already missed this trade. Now I'm not going to enter this trade because the price already raising. So I'm looking for a fresh start. Which chart has a fresh start? That is the one I'm looking to enter. So the first stock was rejected. I'm going to second one, which is Raja Yoni. So on the second start, you can see there is no much volatility. You can see the candles are really flat. Again, I cannot trade this because the candles are very flat and there is no much volatility. And third one looks much better because it has a very good volatility. Also the price keep, you can see the price keep going in a pattern. It's going high and a low, high and a low and a high. So it's creating a nice pattern. It's called support and resistance. These candles are moving in a one line support and resistance pattern. So I'm going to add support and resistance. It's not a correct one, but it can, you can see it, the recent resistance level. It's hit here, it touch here, and after that it's having a pullback here. So now the stock might come down and hit the support and again bounce back. We never know, but it's a just a prediction. But I also want to look at other stocks. I'm going to select one good stocks, as I said. So I'm going to look at the fourth one, and this is, you can see it has a huge fall. Again the price start bounce back here, but we have no idea what gonna happen here because I cannot see good enough pattern here. So I'm going fifth one. Again fifth one, you can see the price had a very good volatility in the beginning. It went, it hit this level, again it came, again it went and hitting the same level, and it's kind of resistance here. It is kind of resistance, and we don't know, might be the price can come down here or might be price can break out and go up. We never know. If you do the proper technical analysis, you can able to predict it. Since it is for a beginners video, I'm not going deeply into it. And the next we go into another stock, and again this is, you can see the price in a very bull trend. The price was silent for a very long time, and again, so it was silent for a long time. After that the price break out the resistance level, and now it's moving a bull trend. And again I'm going another one, and this is a clear bull trend. The price was in a very silent mode. It was moving in a support and resistance zone, and after that it broke out and it's keep raising. And again I'm going another stock, which is Coco. Again there is no much good pattern here. So I'm going back to the third stock, which is Pokrana. So this is the stock I'm going to trade for tomorrow. So today the market closed, today market is holiday. So tomorrow if the stock price open, where I'm going to enter, this is the main reason, right? So I'm going to read off all these tools. So basically the chart we are using to identify the price to enter, also see what is happening, what chart pattern it's creating. So based on my technical analysis, I'm going to look at the support level first. So you can see the support level, it's hardly somewhere here. You can see because the price keep hitting this level once, twice, thrice. Again it's came very closer, but it has a pullback here. And we're going to add a resistance. The recent time the resistance level is here, the price keep touching this level here. What I am expecting, I'm expecting the market to be come down because the price, you can see it was here right now, right? So it can come out here like this, or it can also go hit again come back. So there is a two possibility, and also there is a one more possibility. The price also can break this level and it can go high, right? We never know, but it can happen. What I'm going to trade, I'm gonna wait tomorrow. I'm going to wait, I'm waiting the market. If the price, I'm going to read up these tools. So tomorrow, if the price open lower than this, if the price drop lower than this red candle, then I'm going to short this. Means I'm going to place a sell order here. Short in the sense sell order. When someone says I'm going to short, means they're going to place a sell order. So if the price dropped below than this level, which is this red candle, then I'm going to place a sell order here. Then I will place my take profit or target here. Take profit is target where we going to exit the trade with the profit. So if the price came and hit here, and if it's come and hit, I'm going to exit the trade. Again, I will take another trade if the price bounce back here. So if the price bounce back, I'm going to enter a buy and I will exit that trade at the resistance, but that is secondary. So right now I found my price, so this is where I'm looking to enter my trade, which is 218.95. And also I have one more possibility. If the price went and hit this level again tomorrow, if the price came down, then again I will enter the trade with a short, with a sell order. Or if the price went and break down this level, if the candle went open and close out of this zone, then I'm going to enter a buy order somewhere here. It's depend on what candle it's going to form, if it's a long candle or short candle. So based on that, I'm going to enter a buy order above here. So my possibility tomorrow, it's a possibility, higher possibility is probably the market would come down and hit the resistance. So for that, I'm going to place the trade. So right now I have my entry price, which is 218.95, right? So this is where I'm going to enter. Even though market is not on, you can able to place the trade. You can leave it in case the price came down here. You can, your order will get triggered and you can place the take profit here. And my stop loss would be the resistance. If the price touches the resistance, I will exit my trade. And this is not an exact stop loss I'm looking, but in the, for a beginners I'm just explaining, when you place a take stop loss, you can place where you are expecting your loss. If you thinking that you cannot offer more than this level, then you can exit the trade with a smaller loss. So I'm going to place the trade. To place the trade, take the mouse cursor placed on the empty space on the screen, click on the right mouse button and go to trade and create a new order. So on the new order tab, you are seeing a sell and a buy, right? So since we're going to place a sell order, I'm going to use a sell button. So I'm going to sell, and the quantity I'm going to select 100. For example, I'm telling 100 quantity I'm going to sell. So quantity is 100. Next, the entry price, which is 218.95. So if you go to market order, you will not get a entry price, because market order always trigger you on the market order, whatever the price it's trading. It's, you never know what price you will get, because it depends on what other person willing to sell the stock at any price, then your order will be triggered. It might be little technical, or it might be little confusing, so leave it as of now, because when we come back to another video, you will able to understand what is the market order or limit or stop order. So market order is this: when you wanted to get in the market faster, you can use the market order, but you never know what order you're going to get in. It's depend on what orders are available in the market, and based on that your order will be triggered. Next is a limit order. So in case we're going to sell the market at a willing price, in case you wanted to sell the price above the market price, then you need to go for a limit order. For example, you can see the market price right now, it's a 224.25. so if you wanted to enter the trade at above the current price, then you have to select a limit order. If you wanted to sell the stock below than the current price, that is what we're going to do now. We're going to sell the trade, place the trade below than the current price, because the current price, market price are same. So market price, current price, it is right now 224 rupees point 25. So I'm going to place a sell order below than that. For that, I'm going to use a stop order, and I'm going to place below than the current price. So you see now, right now it is saying a red means wrong value, because using a stop order we can able to place the order below than the market price. So if you trying to place above the market price, it will not take. So I'm going to place 218.95. So this is the price what I'm looking to enter tomorrow. And also the take profit, stop loss. So take profit, as I said, which is the resistance line, which is a 195.05. So I'm gonna enter the price here, 195.05. So next is the stop loss, which is resistance, which is a 234.45. So this is the stop loss. So now our order is ready, and we are ready to go. I'm gonna place the order, and it will be available in my order book. Now you can see when we place a trade, you can also see three lines, which is our stop order, which is sell stop, right? We place the order before the market opens. So when the market opens, the order will trigger in case the price come and hit this level. And next we have a stop loss, and we have a take profit. And if the price come and hit the take profit, we are with the profit. In case if it's go and hit the stop loss, we going to lose. And once you place the trade, you can check that in the order book. So go to paper trading account, and you will see the orders. So here you can see the order, three different order, which is entry, which is exit, stop loss, and the take profit. And also you are looking at the position. When your order get triggered, you will be seeing them in the position. Right now we don't have any open orders, that is why position is 0. Next we have a history. In case if you have any trades, like if you place a trades and if it is closed, you can see them in the history. So far what is your trades, how many trades, and how much profit you made. Account history, how much profit you make, everything you can see here. So basically TradingView is the world's best paper trading account, and you cannot find a product better than this, guys. And if you willing to learn how to trade profitably, then hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, because we will be uploading many videos on the TradingView, also showing you guys how you can implement strategy on the TradingView, how you can implement your skills, or how to use the technical tools or indicators that can take your trading into the next level. So this was the video. We just learned how to select a right stock using a stock screener, and how to read the charts, and how to identify an entry price, and how to enter a trade. So this was the video for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And give your valuable feedback. Also, if you like the video, give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.